Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do morph transition on Microsoft PowerPoint. So here you need to start from the second slide. So this is my second slide, and you can add some text or image like this. I got the image from the internet, and you can just use any picture, and then I'm going to add a line beside the image here to looks like it's to make it look like it's connected to the next slide, and I'm going to change its color into white like this. And then next duplicate the slide. So here I'm going to duplicate the slide, and in here in the first slide you need to drag click on the first slide and then drag all of the elements except the image. So here I'm going to drag this one out like this. Okay, I'm going to just oops. Okay, drag this out like this, and also the title except the image. So here I'm going to make the image at the center like this, and then here right click on the image and then click on crop, and here just make the image bigger like this. Okay, I'm going to make the image bigger, and put it at the center, and then after that you can just type in your title. Here I'm going to add the title. Okay, I'm going to make the title looks bigger. Yeah, just like this. Oops. Okay, here is the title, and then select the title and copy paste it to the second slide. Okay, copy it. Okay, after that, next drag the title up on the second slide. Oops. Okay, like this, and then select both slides like this, and then go to transition and choose morph. This one's right here, and the final result will look like this. So it'll look like just like that. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.